Okay, so
Okay.
what's he gonna sing for us?
Ooh,
Y'all keep those
so
hearts
high,
up, keep those shares
so
going.
so high by John Legend.
So high. Okay, sounds good. So, and I'll do like this when I've heard enough. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Um, Baby, since the day you came into my life, you made me realize that we were born to fly. You show me every day new possibilities. You prove my fantasies of what love could really be. So let's go to a place only lovers go, to a spot that we've never known. To the top of the clouds we'll float, tingle away, and ooh, this feels so crazy. And oh, this love is blazing. And baby, we're so high. We're walking on cloud nine.
All right. Well, now we know why you out there singing, huh? Okay. Well, FYI, y'all, he does sing, he does church singing, and he has his own band and all that good old stuff. Now he got recorded. You didn't tell him what song you released. What is it called?
It's called Only by the Grace of God.
Oh, okay. Only by the grace of God. It's very important. So just in case y'all over there following David James, you have it linked up in your bio on your page.
It's not on my bio. Well, I will go ahead and edit that, but it is on my page.
Okay, somebody said D'Angelo who? Come on, David. That's right. Sunshine says sounds great. So now this is what I heard. You do have a very similar quality to John Legend right now. The quality he has, I call him a throaty-ish tone. So throaty-ish, got that little gravelly in your voice. Just a little bit. Yours is not as gravelly though. Okay. So it makes me wonder, as you sing more, does that kind of show up sometimes? But when you were singing, I did hear your voice crack 2 times. And is that true? We on the same page?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when I heard the crack, normally if I hear a crack, it means it's going up to a place in your range that is unsure, but yours was not. That wasn't the case. So what I think your problem is air. Okay. We just gonna have to say it's air. So, and I want you to think about that song again. Now, did you try the straw when I was with Angel? Was you trying it on your own?
I was.
I had that feeling. Okay, but here's the deal. For you, especially with you singing this particular song, oh yes, he has a beautiful voice. Absolutely. Look, he trying to keep it. Okay, he trying to keep it.
Yes.
He got a few good more years left in him. Okay.
Yes.
So he trying to get to my age. Okay. I'm messing with you. Anyways. So I want to see how your straw looks on you. So we're going to try the straw, but I know I'm going to have to add another technique in for you. Okay.
Okay.
So, but let me just see it.
Show me.
I need to see that hand. Pretend you have a straw and blow it out. Okay. Do it again. Okay. Blow it out. What I'm looking at is I'm trying to make sure that your chest is not rising. Some people, when they're in the straw, they'll go and their chest will rise. Okay. I could tell yours was not in your chest. You're in your diaphragm. Okay. Yeah. Which is lower than your chest. Okay. Y'all people who over here on the highway who ain't in my room, The diaphragm is lower than the chest, okay? It's behind the stomach. Okay, that's for y'all. All right, so this time I want you to do that first line. You're going to take in the air. Then da 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 da. I don't know that song except for the chorus. I don't even really know that, but I'll do like this when I want you to stop. I'm just listening to see if air helps you, okay?
Okay.
No? Blow it out. Do you know why I stopped you? Y'all put it in the chat. Why did I stop him? Why did I stop him? Let's
My
see
chest.
who's listening. Hold on, we're gonna give him 30 seconds. We're gonna see why I stopped him. Let's see. Is 9 of y'all in this room? Is anybody listening? Oh, very good. Miss Sharon said, not supposed to hear the breath. Absolutely. Sunshine said, we can hear him breathe in. So we heard you go, and you was about to sing. So that means you still didn't have air. Okay, so try again. Sing.
Baby, since the day you came into my life.
Stop. So it's not air. Remember I told you, I said I got to figure out what it is? It's not air because you went, this is what you went. You went like, babe. Your very first note still had the raspy, gravelly tone. So that tells me it's not, at least in this section, it's not air. Okay? So I want you to try it one more time, and then after that, I'm going to add a placement technique to see if that helps.
Okay.
Okay. Try again.
Baby, since the day you came into my life.
Okay, I caught you. I know what it is now. For sure. Okay, this is part of the diagnosis. You are singing closed jaw. Y'all, closed jaw mean you won't open your mouth at all. Your baby was like this. Look, you're like, baby, 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 baby. Just do like this. Go, baby.
Baby.
Thank you for opening up. Okay. I need you to keep that in your head. You are closed jaw. So that means you have a tense jaw. Right here. It's tense. And you're just like, okay, let me just keep it closed. I don't want nobody to see my teeth. No, we got to see everything. We need to count. Yolanda Adams, we can count all 39 of her teeth. Okay, I think she got some extras. We can count them all. You know, you know how many teeth we can count on you? 2. He was like this, baby. That's it. Okay. So now let me give you a placement technique. Y'all keep those hearts up. We should already be at 10,000 hearts. Yes, King of Bass is closed jaw as well. He's seen himself in you. Okay, because I threw him under the bus 2 days ago. But anyway.
Listen, his voice is beautiful. That voice is beautiful, King.
It is beautiful, but we need it to come out. Thank you, Miss Monica. You coming up next? Okay, anyway, y'all put yourself in the queue. All right, so now let's give you a placement technique. Now, did you try the opera singer like Angel, or you didn't try it?
No, I didn't try it.
Okay, so wait. Now, this might feel uncomfortable. If it's very uncomfortable, you let me know, and I'll throw something else out there. Okay, so I want you to think like opera. Baby.
Okay.
Baby. And it's all the time. It's tall. Okay, so try that. You gonna do the straw. Let me see it. Baby, no, no, no. Okay.
Baby.
Oh, he laughing at himself. I didn't even get to laugh. Okay.
It does feel awkward. It feels so awkward.
I know it does because you are 100% closed jaw. Okay? Like glue is holding your lips together.
Yeah.
Okay, so that felt uncomfortable. So let me give you a different one, okay? Because I just needed to open up on the inside. You got to open up. Okay, so let's try raise the roof. You like, raise what roof? The roof is on fire. Not that one. Okay. Sunshine, we don't know. They don't know they do that. They don't know that they do that, Sunshine. Okay. She said, how y'all do that? They don't know. That's why they come to me. Okay, this is raise the roof. It's raise the roof of the mouth. So take your finger, just point it up like this. Raise up the roof of the mouth. Open up the mouth. Like you go raise it up. You see? Did that look easier in your mind? Like,
yeah.
Baby. You see what I'm saying? It's like, okay. So then
it's like my whole face engaged.
Okay, now see you. Did the vocal doctor say face engaged? Where was that at?
That's what happened.
You see, now you see how your brain took raise the roof and you called it face engaged.
Because that's what happened.
Okay. And this is the reason I be asking y'all to tell me, what did I say? And he gonna say face engaged.
Yeah, because doing that makes all of this. It makes all of that rise up. I don't know why.
That's what's happening in your brain, but that is not what I said. you like, and my face is rising, and I didn't say none of that. Okay, but you see how you interpreted that. But here's the deal. You know how they be saying they be getting stories all mixed up. Somebody is saying one thing, and then you saying it, and you. That ain't what I said. This is how I lied.
So what I heard you say. what I'm hearing you say. Engage my face.
We're going to get this together, sir.
Okay. Raise the roof.
But whatever works in your brain, what you would write down, if I hear the tone shape and get better, raise the roof. I called it raise the roof. You gonna call it face engage. That's fine. Whatever works in your brain.
Long as I do it.
Long as you do it, correct. But I always like to know what you said. So we're gonna I don't know the words, but okay.
Baby, since the day you came into. That feels so weird.
It feels weird, but your tone started to shape. Did y'all hear his tone shape? I know y'all heard it. I heard it. But I want you to finish that line. So finish it because you stopped. Okay. No, I heard it. Okay. Caught you.
Okay. Baby, since the day you came into my life.
Okay, so I heard your tone. Your tone is shaping already. And I didn't hear that crackle sound. It went away. I'm telling you. That was breathing and placement together helps. But now I got to give you one more thing. I got to give you a quick breath. So, because the straw is not a quick breath. Y'all, the straw is a longer breath. We still not to 10,000 hearts yet. Hello, what we doing out here in these streets? I'm about to cut this off. I'm going to be like, oh, no, they don't want to learn. Not today. Okay. Oh, yes, they do. Okay, look, Monica, I'm throwing you up here, but just mute, okay? All right. Thank y'all. Just mute it out, Monica, mute. So, David, we're going to do a quick breath, okay? Now, the straw, I do not believe it's the best one for you, but I teach 11 breathing techniques. That's just one. Okay. So, I'm going to teach another one because I need a quick breath so you can get this air in fast. Okay, let's try the one called I hope y'all taking notes because you know, if you ain't in my class, you would have missed it anyway. But Shiloh knows, he knows. This one, let's call it the surprise. Okay? So if somebody came up behind you and touched you on your back, you'll go like this. Like quick, right through the mouth. The sound is more hollow though. Yours is not hollow. It's like more.
Well, Doc, I'm 6'7", 320. Ain't gonna be too hollow
6'7"?
over here.
Lord,
I am 6'7", 320. So it ain't too much hollow.
all the way to your waist. I'm like pygmy size. I'm like right at your waist, sir. The top of my hair is gonna go a little bit past your waist. You like, dang, how tall is she? About 4'8".
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Okay, that was good. Do it again. Wait, what? You know why we hear that sound, right? Cause what?
Because my mouth closed.
Yes, it is closed.
Okay.
Did you feel the air come in though? That's what I'm at.
I did.
Okay, so you're gonna do that again, like, I shouldn't hear it though. That's why we have to find one that works best. But I want you to try when you went da 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 da, where you're about to go. After you did that first phrase, you'll need the quick breath right after that.
Okay. I follow. Okay. So what I heard you say. Okay.
Lord.
So what threw me off? Am I doing the quick breath to start, or the quick breath is in that transition?
You'll do the straw to start, and then you'll do the
quick breath.
Yes, because you'll need it. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Baby, since the day you came into my life, you made me realize that we were born to fly. You told me every day.
Okay, you called it though, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking through all of this. Okay,
I know
but
you
that makes
are.
sense. It feels better. It feels so much better. There's no strain there. It feels more relaxed, but it also feels awkward.
It's awkward because you are a closed jaw.
Okay.
But listen to me carefully. There is one placement that looks closed, but you sound open, okay? You won't learn that till you in class though. And that might be your saving grace. Okay. All right, y'all let me know in the chat if he is sounding even much better. Miss Sharon and Shylin said yes. I think he is. Right here, right in front of me. Look, they said,
thank you so much.
Said yes. Sunshine said yes, better. And then I don't know anybody else. They might be just looking and just scrolling and stuff. So, David, is there any major question? Oh, Mario said amazing. Hey, Mario, it's been a while.
Thank you so much.
And he said much better, David. So,
I
believe once you have those techniques under your belt, whatever that was you was feeling the strength. See, you didn't feel it at all, did you?
No, I didn't.
Take what you've learned so far, try to utilize them right now. Use those until you can get to me. Okay?
Okay. I will. Thank you so much.
He gave you a 9 out of 10.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
That is awesome.
God bless you. God bless you for doing this. Thank you so much.
You are sure welcome, David. Thank you. I received that. The base gave you 10 out of 10.
Hey, right back at you, King. Right back at you.
Y'all or something else. I tell you. Thank you,
right.
David.
How do I get out of here?
I'm about to just click you right on that. Bye.
All right. Good night.
See you soon.
Bye. All right.